Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Mary Parizia with NPM 2161201045 from Faculty Economy and Business in University Widyagama Mahakam Samarinda. Today, one presentation about economic system and government system in Turkey. For the first has preview. Turkey is the large Muslim population country in the world that crosses the continent of Europe and Asia. Turkey has a location located at the crossroad of Europe, Asia. Turkey, a country with strategic value in international trade. It has a population of more than 80 million and Turkey over a huge market for international business. Turkey itself has a geographical location and interest in international business, namely, for the one connected to major market, 2. Access to Mediterranean Sea, and 3. Key transport hubs. Thus, Turkey has become one of the most attractive destinations for international business because of its strategic geographical location and huge market potential. Now about Turkey economic system. Turkey economic system is classified as an emerging market by the IMF. Turkey is one of the most advanced countries in the world according to the CEA World Factbook. Turkey is the country with the 80 large nominal GDP and the 70 large GDP by PPP in the world. Turkey adopts a mixed economic system where there is growth of the private and public sector combined with centralized economic planning and government regulation with the rules each other. And it has an economic liberalization system where since the 1980, Turkey has undergone a significant economic liberalization process. Next, hak sector rules. For the first public sector, the Turkish government plays an important role in sectors such as energy, transport, and education, and is also responsible for economic regulation and infrastructure development. The second has private sector. The private sector plays a major role in the Turkish economy, especially in manufacturing, trade, and service sector. And next, Turkey also has macroeconomic condition of economic growth, inflation, and exchange rates. For the first economic growth, the Turkey economy has recorded significant growth in the recent years, driven by foreign investment and the growth of the private sector. The second, inflation. Turkey has rapidly experienced significant inflation in the last few years, which has become the focus of economic policy to control inflation and maintenance price stability. And last, exchange rate. The exchange rate of Turkey lira against foreign currency, especially the US dollar, is frequently fluctuating, affecting purchasing power and economic stability as a whole. And the next topics about the Turkey system of government. Turkey has a presidential system of government. Turkey also has the following structure of government. 1. Executive, headed by the president, who is responsible for the implementation of government policy and administration. 2. Legislative, consists of the Grand National Assembly of Turkey, which is tasked with making laws and overseeing government activities. 3. Judicial, judicial serves to enforce law and ensure justice. In the Turkish government system, there is also a policy of economy policy and business regulation. Next, about international business supporter in Turkey. Here are some of the things that are supportive of international business in Turkey. For the first, the infrastructure has transport, energy, and telecommunication. The second, the workforce has qualification, productivity, and cost. And the last, the investment policy has incentive, facilities, and regulation. The workforce consists of qualification, productivity, and cost. Qualification: Turkey labor force often has good qualification in the field of education and technical expertise relevant to international business needs. And productivity: labor productivity in Turkey continues to rise, driven by investment in education and training. And cost: labor costs in Turkey tend to be lower than in Western Europe countries, providing a competitive advantage for international business. Next, the investment policy consists of incentive, facilities, and regulation. Incentive: the Turkey government offers a variety of incentives to encourage investors, including tax evasion, duty exemptions, and financial support. Facilities: industrial zone, free trade zone, and special economic zone provide to support international investment and business in Turkey. Regulation: Turkey has undertaken regulatory reform to improve its investment climate, including faster and more transparent licensing process. With that supportive thing, we can create an enabling environment for international business in Turkey with good infrastructure, quality workforce, and supporting investment policy. And the last topic has conclusion. In international business, Turkey offers huge potential and attractive opportunities for businessmen. With its strategic geographical location between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, Turkey serves as an important gateway to international trade. And with a good understanding of Turkey economic and government system and some of the existing things that support international business, the prospect for growth and international business success in Turkey will remain wide open. That's all from me. I want to say thank you for your attention.